Question number 1. Model is coded as 917382 and in the same way clerk key is coded as 62834. Then how is the word core coded in this one? Now we need to find out the code to the word code. Now the letter that is common. L is at the last place, L is at the second place. And what is there at the last place? 2. Here 2 is at the second place. That means the letters and the codes are directly given. And in the same way, common E. E is at the fourth place, 8 is there at the fourth place. Now in this one, E is at the third place, 8 is there at the third place. That means the letters and the codes are directly given. And in this one, what is the code to the word core? Now for this C, its code is 6. O is what? And O is 1. And R, the code for R is 3. And similarly for E, and its code is 8. Now 6138, choice for question number 1. Then second one. Now in a certain code language, the word cot. Now this cot is coded as DCUX, DCUNX. And in the same way, how is the word male coded in this one? C and D difference is how much? Plus 1. A and C plus 2. Here plus 3 plus 4. And in the same way here again plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. M plus 1 is N, A plus 2 is C, L plus 3 is O, E plus 4 is I. And the code is NCOI, choice 1, question number 2. And in the third one, no paper is a purse. No paper is purse. How to represent this one? This is a paper and this is a purse. No paper is purse. And at the same time, all these papers are pins. No paper is purse and all papers are pins. Some pins are not purses. Some pins are not purses as of now. No pin is a purse. No pin is a purse. And some pins are not purses is true. And some pins are not purses. Then in this one, all purses. Second one is a possibility. First, let us finalize the definite conclusion. Now in this definite conclusion, some pins are not purses. Then tell me how to represent this one. All pins are purses. All pins are purses and cheppacha leda cheppan. Now all pins are purses ante ee vidhanga cheppali. Ee vidhanga cheppe chance unda? Now if you write like this, then what happens here? Some pins, the statement no paper is a purse will become false. Clear? Alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. Then coming to the next one, all purses can be pins annam. All purses can be pins. Purses and pins avvachu annaru. Purses and pins avvachu kada? Isn't it? Purses and pins ayye chance unda. Ayye chance unda kabatti em avutundi? Both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2. And it is given in choice 1. Both 1 and 2. Choice 1. Question number 3. Question number 4. Now in this question number 4, now the relation between these two, latter and former. Now this latter and former, what is the relation between these two? They are opposite to each other. And similarly hazardous and safe. And these two are opposite to each other, antonyms. Then coming to question number 5, and V, W and Y. What is the difference between V and W? Plus 2, W and Y plus 2, Q and R plus 1, R and T plus 2, L and M plus 1, and here the difference is plus 2, and J plus 1 plus 1, JKL. Now in this one, what is the order we have? Choice 1. Choice 1, V, W, X, Y. Now the difference is how much? Plus 1. Now plus 1 plus 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 1. Hence, what is the answer here? Choice 4 is the answer. Clear? Except in choice 1, choice 4. And in the remaining, the difference between the elements is 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Hence, question number 5 is choice 4. Then sixth one, 9 and 80. Ella write 9 and 80. 9 and 80 can be written as 9 and 80 can be written as 9 square minus 1. 9 square minus 1. And similarly 100 square minus 1 is 9999. And what is your answer? Choice 1. N square minus 1. Then question number 7. Now in this seventh one is 42. Now first we need to go for division. 32 divided by 2 is how much? 16. Now 16 into 3 is how much? 48. That means 42 plus 14 minus how much? 42 plus 14 minus 3 and plus 16. Ante kada? Minus 3 plus 16. Minus 3 plus vastundandi. 32 divided by 6. And here minus 3 into 16. Now into 16 is how much? 42 plus, now above the symbols were given. Now we need to divide the symbols. 42 divided by 14. First we need to replace the symbols here. Minus stands for what? Minus stands for into, and into stands for plus, and division stands for what? Division stands for minus. Then in this one, 42 divided by 14 is how much? 3 into 3 plus 32 minus 2. Now 3 into 3 is how much? 9. 9 plus 32, 41 minus 3, 30 minus 2. Now finally it is minus 2, and 41 minus 2, 39, choice 3. 9 plus 32 minus 2. Then question number 8. Now in this 8th one, it is based on analogy BDFH. BDFH SUWY. And in the same way, CEGI. Then what should be the next one? Now B and Y are opposite to each other, opposite pairs. D and W opposite, F and U opposite, H and S opposite. Now the letters and their opposite pairs. And similarly for C, its opposite letter is X, E it is V, and G it is T, and I it is R. And so RTVX choice for question number 8. Then 9th one. Now in this question number 9, as 251 and 107. Now what is the difference between these two numbers? 144. Now the difference is nothing but the square of the middle number. Now the difference between the first and the last number is the square of the middle number. Then 560 minus 245. Ustunda manaki 60 minus 45 anta manaki 15. 15 is not a square. And 424, 268. Ustunda an answer? And 428 and 16. 16 is how much? 256. And here manaki 600 దాటిపోతుంది. And 256. Now 256 it is, not 424. Next thing. Now 381 minus 125. Tell me what is the difference we have. Now the difference 256 వచ్చిందా? Done? And so what is your answer? Choice 3, question number 9. Difference between the first and the last numbers is the square of the middle number. 104 minus 78. 104 minus 78 ఎంత వస్తుంది? 22 plus 4, 26. 26 not square of 4. Answer choice 3, question number 9. Then 10th one. Now first one. How many elements are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 12. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then coming to this one. AAB is a term that is completed. కనుక ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏమవ్వాలి? A and B. Here again AAB. Hence AABB, that is choice 1, question number 10. The term AAB is repeated. And next one, question number 11. Now in this 11, 3, 6, 11, 20. 3 and 6, what is the difference? We have 5. Next difference is 5. 3 and 6, 3. And 6 and 11, 5. Now here the difference is 9, 17. Then what's the next one? 3 and 5 difference is how much? 2. Here it is 4. Here it is 8. Next difference must be 16. And 17 plus 16 is how much? 33. When 33 is added to this one, 37 plus 33, 70, choice 1. Then 12th one. B and G, the difference between these two is so much? 2 and 7. 2 and 7 plus 5. 7 and 11 plus 4. 11 and 14 plus 3. 5, 4, 3. Next one plus 2. And n plus 2. 14 plus 2, 16. 16th letter is P, choice 1. The difference between the letters is 5, 4, 3, 2 and so on. Then next one, 13th one. Now in this question number 13, 5 boxes are there in a row. D is to the right of E and to the left of A. D is to the right of what? Right of E and to the left of A. And C is to the right of A. And C is to the right of what? Right of A and to the left of B. C is to the right of A and to the left of B. Then in this one, which box is at the middle? Now tell me which box is at the middle here? A is at the middle and it is given in choice 3, question number 13. 13th one, it is choice 3. Then 14. A is taller than C but not as tall as B. How many were there? There are 4 in total. A is taller than what? A is taller than C but not as tall as B means, and B is taller than A. And at the same time, and D is also not as tall as C. That means D is not as tall as C, D is shorter than C. And so out of these 4, who is the shortest person in the group? D. D, that is given in choice 1, question number 14. Clear? Now in 14, D is the smallest, shortest. Then question number 15, 3 of the following 4 alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Then tell me what is the odd one here? Shimla, Darjeeling and Ooty. All these are hilly areas and Agra is not a hilly area. Except Agra, the remaining 3 belongs to the same category. Then next one, Pinky drives a car 7 kilometers towards west. A is the starting point. From here she drives 7 kilometers west and turns right and drives for how many kilometers? 4 kilometers. Then she turns again and drives towards right hand and drives 7 kilometers. From here, 7 kilometers towards right hand side. And how far is she from her starting point and which direction would she be driving? Now, sir, how far is she from the starting point? The distance between these 2 is 4. Now, in which direction this person is moving? Towards east. And 7 kilometers towards east, choice 1, question number 16. Then, how far is she from the starting point? In which direction would she be driving? I am driving just in the east. Now she is driving towards east. Then next one, question number 17. Now 4 kilometers. Yes, 4 kilometers. Now the distance between these 2 is only 4 kilometers. Now 4 kilometers and towards east, that is choice 2. Then next one, 17th one. Introducing A. A introduces B, saying that she is the wife of the only grandson of the mother of my mother. My mother ante evaru gurinchi maatladutunnaru cheppandi? A. My is nothing but A. My mother. That means A's mother is B. My mother's mother's only grandson. Only grandson's wife. My mother's only grandson. Evaru avvachu? A. Hence A's wife. And finally, what is the answer here? How is B related to A? Now that person is the wife of this one. Introducing B. B అంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ D ని తీసుకుంటే then B will be here. Now definitely ఇక్కడైతే ఉండే ఛాన్స్ అయితే లేదు. అవునా కదా? There is a chance we are talking about. And SSCలో అయితే రెగ్యులర్గా మనం ఇలా తీసేసుకోవాలి. ఇంకా వేరే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి లేనట్టే తీసుకోవాలి. ఇంత ముందు క్వశ్చన్లో కూడా అది ఉంది. ఏం చెప్పండి? 5 in a row ఇచ్చాం. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఇమీడియట్ ఇవ్వకపోయినా ఇమీడియట్గా తీసేసుకున్నాం. ఇన్ SSC and RRB యూ నీడ్ టు టేక్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్. దాని బ్యాంకింగ్లో అయితే అది అలా కుదరదు. బ్యాంకింగ్లో ఏమైపోతుంది చెప్పండి? ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే టైంకి ఓన్లీ గ్రాండ్ సన్ ఏని ఎందుకు అవ్వచ్చు, ఇంకోటి ఉండొచ్చు, వాడు మేల్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఇదేమో ఫీమేల్ అవ్వచ్చు. దెన్ మనకి పాసిబిలిటీస్. బట్ ఇట్స్ హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ వీఆర్ నాట్ సపోజ్ టు టేక్ లైక్ దట్. దెన్ 18th one. 18 చెప్తారు. అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గివెన్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్స్ అండ్ టెల్ మీ ద వర్డ్ విచ్ కెనాట్ బి ఫార్మ్. సెట్స్ కెన్ బి స్ట్రైట్ అవే 4. And reach, R-E-A-C-H, reach, R-E-A-C-H, H-E-R here, R-E-A-D, read. Now D is not there, hence this cannot be formed. 18th one. Then coming to 19. 19 చెప్తారా? Now 8 plus 12 is sum is 20 divided by 2, 10 the middle number. 5 plus 9, 14 divided by 2, 7 the middle number. And similarly, 12 plus something must be 28 because 14 is here. Now 14 into 2 is sum is 28. 28 means 12 plus 16, 28 divided by 2. Then it is 14. Sum of the first and the third numbers by 2 is the middle number. And so 16, choice for question number 19. Then coming to question number 20. Now 20th chesara? Now in the mundu man already chesam idi. Now whenever there is a square of this type is given, any triangles unda cheppandi? 4 triangles. Now individual triangles 1, 2, 3, 4 and again diagonal to diagonal. This is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3, isn't it? This is 4. Hence we have in a single one we have 8 triangles altogether. Kanaki ikkada 8 unnai, ikkada 8 unnai, 8 unnai. All these are individual different figures ko aithe manaki enni unnai cheppandi? 24. Then combination of this one. Kalipithe enni vastayi cheppandi? Idi okati. This is one triangle combining 1 and 2 figure frames and this is the other. Ippudu enni add ayyayi? 2 add ayyayi. Next from bottom top. ఇది ఒకటి, and again this is the other. Hence 2 plus 2, 4. Hence 24 plus 4, 28, that is given in choice 4. Question number 20. Then 21st, now in this 21st, now this paper is folded like this and it is cut in this way. Then tell me what is the figure it will be appeared. Now in this one, ikkada chudandi, ikkada manaki triangle shape vachindi. Triangle shape, ikkada oka triangle shape vachindi. Now ee triangle shape open ayye time ki emotundi, oka square ayindi, ikkada square. Ikkadiki వచ్చే time ki రెండు squares ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే time ki రెండు squares ఉంటాయి. ఇది మళ్ళీ ఓపెన్ అయింది కదా, దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ గా ఒకటి ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది, దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ గా ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. హెన్స్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే time ki ఎన్ని squares ఉంటాయో చెప్పండి, 4 squares. And next at the same time middle, మధ్యలో మనకి ఏముంది ఇక్కడ, నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ స్మాల్ సర్కిల్. ఇది ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ అయ్యే టైంకి హాఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఫామ్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఫిగర్కి వచ్చే టైంకి కంప్లీట్ సర్కిల్. అండ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? చాయిస్ 3, 21. దెన్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 22. నౌ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఎంబెడెడ్ ఫిగర్స్. ఎంబెడెడ్ ఎక్కడ నుంచి చెప్పండి, ఎంబెడెడ్ ఫిగర్స్ నౌ ఎంబెడెడ్ ఫిగర్స్ నౌ 4లో ఎక్కడ ఉందండి, నౌ దిస్ వన్ ఇక్కడ మనకు చూస్తే clear. Now choice 4, question number 22. Then 23rd, now in this 23, A denotes mangoes and B denotes bananas and next one C denotes what, apples, and the numbers in each section represent the number of persons who like those fruits. How many persons like only bananas? Only bananas is given by 31. Now this 31 given in choice 3, question number 23. 23 is choice 3. Then 24, now in this 24, 2 circles, 3 circles, isn't it? And next at the same time, here again there are 3 circles. 3 circles, next one name all Japandi, next 4 circles. Now 2 has become 3, 3 has become 4. Here 3 circles, 4. Now these 3 and 3 were same. Here 4 in the cut, here any undal triangles Japandi, 4. And so what is your answer? Choice 2. And finally question number 25. Now it is a mirror image. Now in this mirror image, then చెప్పిన ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుంది, చాయిస్ 4 is a mirror image. Now vertical, ఏదైతే మనకు రైట్ సైడ్ ఉంది, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ రావాలి. Now this entire must be left hand side and it is given in choice 4 is the answer. Now 25. Done with this?